Hi, my cuticle cuties. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I will be displaying the October monthly giveaway. And if you're new to my channel, all year 2024, I've been gifting nail products once a month. There are a few simple rules to enter, and there is one lucky winner. I've had 9 lucky winners so far, so this will be the 10th lucky winner. Let's get straight into the video. This month's prize is a Beetles Polygel kit. If you have never used Polygel, you can check out several videos on YouTube, or you can check out my video, which is linked here, or it'll definitely be in the description. You can get some beautiful long-lasting nails with Polygel, and this kit is just in time for Christmas. As you can see, it's wrapped in plastic, so I will not open it. I'm going to show you some pictures of what's inside this box. These are directions you can follow. This is a brief description of what's inside the box, the ingredients, all in one mani kit. It has 6 3-ounce different colors of Polygel, a base coat, a top coat, the slip solution, a set of tools, a nail lamp. This video is not sponsored. I have purchased all these giveaway items to give to my subscribers. Let's cover some entry rules. You must be a public subscriber. I must be able to click on your name and see that you are a public subscriber. You must like this video. You must comment under this video and tell me what number like that you are. Once I verify those 3 steps, I will comment under your comment and say entered, thank you, good luck. The winner must be willing to give me the P.O. box or the mailing address so I can get your item shipped to you. I cover all shipping costs. As always, the winner will have 48 hours to contact me with their mailing information. My email address is in my About section. So like I stated, this is a Christmas kit, and let's go over everything that's inside of this kit. We have a nail lamp. We have a bottle of slip solution, base coat, top coat, a fingernail file, a brush for the slip solution, and some dual forms. This will create the nail extensions with the Polygel in these beautiful colors. Is just in time for Christmas. Also, I forgot to mention the giveaway starts October 24th and ends October 30th. Winner will be announced October 31st. You want to create some beautiful Polygel nails? Go ahead and enter. If you're not subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Good luck to everyone that participates. That's all I have for you guys today. See you in my next video. Thank you. Bye-bye.